Our slightly cooled off weather has moved into the area. I'm going to enjoy it. And I'm going to read you a poem by Mary Oliver titled Goldfnches. Some goldfinches were having a melodious argument at the edge of a puddle. The birds wanted to bathe, or perhaps just to dip their heads and look at themselves. And they were having trouble with who should be first, and so on. So they discussed it while I stood in the distance, listening. Perhaps in Tibet, in the old holy places, they also have such fragile bells. Or are these birds really just that? Bells come to us, come to this road in America. Let us bow our heads and remember now how we used to do it. Say a prayer. Meanwhile, the birds bathe and splash and have a good time. Then they fly off, their dark wings opening from their bright yellow bodies, their tiny feet all washed, clasping the air.